Hi, hello. My name is Patricia, but everybody calls me Pat. I define myself as an enthusiastic, energetic, and easygoing person. I'm also very flexible and open to hear others' opinions. I'm a teacher of English for kindergarten and primary level. I got my degree from Sivadist, a private tertiary institution. I've been teaching babies, kids, teens, and adults for 12 years now. I've worked in different public and private schools and institutes, and I've also delivered some online lessons. My philosophy is that all students can learn. They just need to be encouraged to do so. I love the quote by Benjamin Franklin that says, "Tell me and I forget, teach me and I remember, involve me and I learn." And I strongly believe it's like that. In my classes, I rely on demonstration to help my students comprehend better, and also on collaboration, because I think that pairing students together or putting them in groups for an activity is beneficial because it inspires them to communicate and to interact with each other.